Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beatrice here. I had shared a short video about the fact that I had made this cute little gnome coaster, and I wasn't completely done with it because I figured that the gnome I decided to add a rainbow to it. So in today's video I'm going to be making the rainbow for this cute little coaster. And if you subscribe to my channel and put in the comments below that you subscribe, just put I'm subscribed, and that way I'll know. And also in the comments, if you want to learn how to make the entire coaster with the gnome, let me know in the comments. If there's enough interest, I will do a complete tutorial on the coaster with the gnome attached. Okay? So for today's tutorial, you're going to be needing a crochet hook, and for today's video I'm using a 4.5 millimeter, which is a number 7. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and I bought this felt and foam tacky glue. Any glue that you have that will dry clear, that will do. And then just some regular cotton balls. I have a little jar here just full of cotton balls. You're going to need all the colors of the yarn that you would like. So for today's rainbow, I'm using a variety of colors, but it's Red Heart, and it's a super saver, and this color is Perfect Pink, and I have it in, this is a Mainstays acrylic yarn, and it is color green. Then I have an orange just left over in my yarn box. I have yellow, and I have red and blue, but whatever colors you want to make your rainbow, that's totally up to you. Let's get started. So because I wanted to add a rainbow to the coaster, I decided that I'm going to make the rainbow and put it behind the gnome. So that way when the gnome is looking out, the rainbow is going to be behind it. Okay? So once you've made a chain of 30, you're going to turn your work, and we are going to single crochet. And I'll meet you back at the end and we'll continue from there. Once you start single crocheting all the way to the end, when you're about in the middle of this chain, what we want to do is insert one more single crochet into that same stitch, because if we don't add one stitch in there, then our rainbow won't curve enough. So that's why we need to do that. So just finish your single crochets and I'll meet you back at the end. So now that we're at the next to the last stitch, we want to insert your hook, and we're not going to finish that stitch. So we're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and when you have the 2 loops on your hook, we want to grab the next color that you want, pull it through, and then we're going to chain 1. Okay, now we're going to turn our work. And you see this tail? We're going to go ahead and weave that in so we don't have to do anything with it at the other end. So now we're going to go back and we're going to single crochet all the way back, and when we get to the middle, I'm going to show you what we need to do. To weave in any kind of a tail, in case you're a beginner, just take that tail and lay it across. That's going to be included in your stitches. So you're going to go to the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, and then pull through. So you see how the tail is being woven into that stitch. So we'll do it again. Okay, pull through, just like that. So now that we're at the middle of the rainbow, we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. But then we're also going to make one more single crochet in that same stitch that we just did. This will keep the rainbow making like a rainbow shape, which is a half circle. Okay? Okay, I'm doing another color change. And now we're going to single crochet all the way we did the other 2 rows. So this is row 3, and when we get to the middle, we're going to do 2 single crochets in the middle of our rainbow. Okay, so I'll meet you back at the other end. For the 3rd row, go ahead and single crochet 2 stitches before we get to the middle. In row 1 and 2 we put 1 single crochet, but before we get to the middle, at this particular point, right to the right of the middle one, we're going to put the 2 stitches, and then you're going to single crochet, another single crochet, and then in this next one we're going to put the 2 stitches and 1 more stitch in that same spot. Okay, this will give it more of a rounded look. So I've done another color change, and we're going to do the same thing. Once we get 2 stitches before the middle, we're going to add 2 stitches on each side. So I'm at the last color change. So I've used blue, yellow, orange, pink, red, and now I'm using green. So when we get to the end, I will meet you back. Okay, so now we're at the very end. You're just going to do your last stitch, pull it through, so there we have our rainbow. So what we're going to do is we're going to weave in our ends, and there's not that many, so it shouldn't take that long. If you're a beginner, all you need to do is take your darning needle, and what you want to do is just through the back of it, just start to weave in just a couple of stitches, to prevent it from coming out. Okay? Okay, so once you've woven in your tails from both sides, I'll meet you back here. And there you have it. There you have the rainbow. That goes behind our coaster. Now if you'd like to see how I put it all together, just go ahead and put I'm subscribed and then put in the comments that you would like for me to make a tutorial on the complete project. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!